Hello and welcome along to the next instalment of my camper conversion YouTube channel. Now this video is just a little side video going alongside the bed build for a little Daihatsu Hijet that I'm currently converting there on my channel. If you haven't seen the videos in that series, do have a look at my channel. I'm documenting it fully job by job, building it all the way through from an empty fishing van all the way through to a DVLA registered campervan. Now I've just built all the bed frame inside it. There should be a video on my channel, if not already, coming soon, showing how I've built the bed. But in the meantime, I've got plenty of caravan cushions that I've just cut down in half. They're all cut to shape, ready to go onto the bed. But because I've cut them down, both in depth and width, they won't go back into the covers that the foam came out of. So rather than trying to hack down the original covers, trying to get them to refit again, I thought I'd try and smarten up all of the cushion appearance by getting some brand new leatherette type material. That's a nice ruby leatherish colour, and I've never attempted anything like this before, so we're basically going to follow along together and see how good a final result I can get. I don't have any materials other than a pair of scissors and some upholstery slash carpeting glue. That's it. I don't have any sewing machines, I don't have any stapling guns, this, that, the other. It's going to be a case of trying to trim round and glue down as best I can around all of the actual cushions. There's plenty more all in the van at the moment. That's just a couple I got down just to show. So it's going to be a case of getting all of the cushions out, measuring around them on the leatherette, making sure I've got enough, cutting around each one, spray gluing it down, trying to get all the joins as nice and neat as I can, and we'll see what sort of finish I can get at the end of it. Hopefully the bed should look nice, neat and really smart looking, so we'll see. So as you just saw, I was just cutting down all of the cushions. Now obviously by cutting them straight in half, it means that I'm basically doubling the amount of foam per cushion as well. It's still really nice, really soft, really springy. But as you can see, it's taking shape really nicely now. Now it's just a case of upholstering them back up again. So I'm just about to try and start reupholstering the cushions that I cut down earlier. I could try and squeeze them into the old cushion covers that they came out of, but because they've been cut down in width and depth, the cushion covers themselves would still need upholstering again anyway. So instead I'm going to have a very basic attempt at upholstering myself. I've got no tools other than a pair of scissors and some upholstery trim fix. As I say, that stuff's good for upholstering as well as headlinings, this, that, the other. Any sort of fabric, it should be okay. So I'm going to give it a go. I've not done any of this before, so do go easy on me if it doesn't come out too well. We'll have a look, we'll see how it progresses along. But as I say, so the only way to actually have a go is a case of getting stuck in and see what the actual final results are going to be. So I've been out and bought some nice new leatherette type material. Really nice looking stuff, should go nicely in the van. Just cut this one down to size, so now I'm just about to start gluing it all on and see what I can try and get as a final result. So there's the first cushion done, and for a very first attempt at doing anything like this, I think it's come out alright. There's a little bit of overspray, still needs just to be wiped off, but that'll just come straight off. Other than that, the top looks very presentable. The underside looks neat enough. As I say, considering all I've got is scissors and glue, it's come out okay. Everything's pretty tight and secure, so nothing should be coming loose. But as I say, you don't sit on the underside. So yeah, that's the top side, and that's looking all nice and neat. So yeah, that's not too bad. Just plenty more cushions left to do. Right, so there we go, that's all of the upholstery reupholstered basically. All of the caravan cushions have been cut down and been fully reupholstered with brand new ruby leatherette type material. It's looking really nice. I've actually surprised myself with how well I've actually been able to get it done. I say this is the first time I've ever tried attempting anything like this, and especially considering the only tools I've had are a pair of scissors and a can of glue. That's it. Obviously the edges aren't looking 100% professional, but still it's nice and neat and presentable, definitely to say the least. Some of the overspray still needs cleaning off. I just don't have any white spirits at the moment. I've just rubbed some off with some grip gloves, but as I say, just to get the rest of the spray glue off, I'll just get a little bit of white spirits. It's all on the back of the actual cushions where any overspray is. So there's very little anyway, and so just daft little bits like that, and generally just where the seam join is. But other than that, that's it. All the fascias look nice and neat, all the cushions nice and smooth on it. I just hope the camera's going to be making it out, because I know the material's quite dark, and it's quite dark in here as well. And there we go. That's how I've fully upholstered all of the interior of this Daihatsu Hijet. Just using old caravan cushions, cutting them down into half and cutting them into shape, and then just basically spraying, gluing all of the material on, trimming it down to fit. As I think it looks quite nice, quite neat, especially for a first attempt. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do give it that good old thumbs up. If you haven't already, have a look at my channel. There's loads of videos on there fully documenting the conversion of this particular Hijet, a previous Hijet I've done, a Ford Connect that's out there, a VW T4 that's out there. There'll soon be a T5 coming as well, so hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Have a look at my channel, loads of content. I'm well over 100 videos now. And hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.